ate mu muzannyo gw'ensambagere abategesi b'ensambagere aba Extra Combat Africa banjudde enteekateeka z'okutereka ennwana okwetoola Ssemazinga Africa nga bakutandikira mu ggwanga lya Uganda oluvannyuma bagende mu mawanga amalala okuli Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, Nigeria, Malawi n'amawanga amalala. Mu kutongoza enteekateeka eno Paul Kabale wasinzidde n'ayanjula ebikozesebwa mu nsambagere byaleese mu ggwanga wabula n'akukulumira gavumenti olw'omusolo gw'emubinise.
It's very, very unfortunate that they tax sports equipment. I'm not going to use these things, not even my children. I'm going to give them away to fighters for free. I'm not a business person that I'm selling sports goods. So they should find a way of giving us tax waivers to encourage us to bring more sports equipment for the benefit of these young people. Most of them do not have a source of income. I've watched videos where people are sharing a mouth guard. Somebody is leaving the ring and they remove a mouth guard and they give it to the next person entering the ring. I'll be going to Uganda Revenue Authority and I'll work through the National Council of Sports. We need to find a way of them giving us tax waivers.
Extra Combat Africa etongoza n'ennwana ez'okubeerawo na kusomeza 27 omwezi ogw'omunaana ng'Omunayuganda Ebbaru Walter wakwambalagana ne Onyeka Uche Jim munnamagye mu ggwanga lya Nigeria olwo mu bakyala Omunayuganda Among Rebecca atunke ne Chukwu Juliet nga naye wa police ey'eggwanga lya Nigeria.
I don't know anything about her. I've not even seen her yet and I don't want to know anything about her. I just want to fight her, to beat her, to finish her and take this title. That's what I know.
A champion of East Africa, full contact, extra combat. And I'm here to represent Uganda in the upcoming extra combat fights. As you know, I'll be defending the East Africa as well as fighting for the African title here in Uganda. And we have the Nigerian who is coming against me.
Abel Chitaka, Salt TV,